How to solve x power 3 plus x power 2 is equal to 36. Find the value of x. So we have x power 3 plus x power 2, then this plus 36, this plus 36 take to the left side, so this will be minus 36, then is equal to 0. Now we can write here x cube plus x square, then minus 36 can be written as minus 27 minus 9, then is equal to 0. Now we have x cube, then minus 27 can be written as minus 3 cube, then plus x square, then minus 9 can be written as minus 3 square is equal to 0. Now here you can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a is as x, b is as 3. So according to formula I can write here x minus 3 times x square plus x times 3 plus 3 square. That means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Then plus here I can apply the formula of a square minus b square. So according to formula I can write here x plus 3 times x minus 3. That means a plus b times a minus. This is the formula of a square minus b square. Then is equal to 0. Now we see x minus 3 is common, so we take common x minus 3. So bracket x minus 3 is out of this bracket, so this divided by this, that means x minus 3 will be cancelled. So we have x square plus x times 3, that means it will be 3x plus 3 square is same as 9, then plus this divided by this, that means x minus 3 will be cancelled. So here x plus 3 then is equal to 0. Now we can write here x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x square plus 3x plus x, that means it will be plus 4x, then plus 9 plus 3, that means it will be plus 12, then is equal to 0. Now we can write here x is equal to this minus 3 take to the right side, so this will be plus 3, or here you can apply discriminant formula. So you can write here delta is equal to b square minus 4 ac. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 4, after that c will be equal to 12. Now delta will be equal to b square, that means it will be 4 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 12. then is equal to 4 square is same as 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12, that means it will be 48, then is equal to 16 minus 48, that means it will be minus 32. So minus 32 is less than 0. So here no real solution. Now so here no real solution, but our final solution, our final answer will be x is equal to 3. So 3, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 27 plus 4 to the power 27 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 27, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 27 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 27 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 27 is same as 50, 2 times 27, that means 54 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 54 plus 1, that means 55. So 2 to the power 55 is the correct answer.